Today I'm gonna talk about the iVMS 4200. It's a free software from Hikvision, and you can connect to your IP camera, your DVR, NVR, and also send some notification. If you wanna learn more, just keep watching. Hello, welcome to my channel. Claudemir here with another video. Today I will talk about the iVMS 4200. If you wanna send notification using this software, you're gonna learn this today, alright? But before I continue, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell notification, leave your comments and your thumbs up. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look here at the software iVMS 4200. The first thing you need to do is to come here to the control panel, and you need to use the system configuration to set up your email account. Okay, so just right here I have the email configuration. Here I'm using the Gmail account, so I just need to check server authentication, and here SMTP server, I need to include my SMTP server. In my case is smtp.gmail.com. If you're using another email such as Hotmail or something else, you need to figure it out what's your SMTP server. And you need to check the SSL. This is for encryption. This is a secure socket layer. Use the port 465 and put here your username, password, sender address, and receiver addresses. Receiver number 1, 2, and 3. You can send email for 3 receivers at the same time. Okay. After you fill all this information, just click here, send test email. You're gonna see a message here that says that the sending test is succeed, right? So you just need to come here and check your email account. So just wait for a while, no message yet. I just refresh and then I get the email test, right? I double click here and I can see this is from me to the 3 recipients, okay? So the email is working right now. Let me just come back to the software. And now I need to configure the events. So here in control panel, you have the event management. You just click here and then you choose your camera. In my case, it's the camera number 4. I just select the camera here and then I enable the motion detection. That's the event I wanna monitor, the motion detection. And then here you can adjust the sensitivity. You choose your camera here and then you check the options here. You want to trigger an alarm to trigger your message, all right? And that's it. And then the system start working as soon as I have movement in front of the camera because it's enabled already, all right? I will just come to the next room to turn on the light so that I'm simulating movement there by turning the light, and then we can see this working, okay? So just give me a minute. I will turn on the light and come back. Okay, I'm back, and then I hope there is a movement there in front of the camera. It's supposed to be, because when I turn on the light, it's like a movement from the camera because the image is changing, right? So let's come here to my email, back here to inbox, and see if I have a movement here. Look, motion detection alarm start, okay? So the software is sending me the email. Here I have from and the 3 recipients, okay? So it's working pretty fine. So it's pretty easy to configure this software. There is no secret. You just set up your email account and you enable the events here in the event management, okay? So sometimes you can have some problems with the Gmail account because the Gmail doesn't trust this software. So if you have some problem with this account, Gmail is not working and send you a message saying that a software wants to use your account, just visit my blog. I will leave the link here in the description, and there I have the steps you have to do to clean this out, okay? So it can work with Gmail. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also leave your comments and your thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.